Now we are going to learn maths. See children, here I draw some balls. Here I draw some balls. Let us count how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay, look here children, we have 60 zeros here. See, these are the 60 balls. These are the 60 balls. For these 60 balls, I add one ball. ఈ 60 balls కి నేను ఒక బాల్ యాడ్ చేశాను. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 61. Okay. See here 60 oranges. Oranges are balls. See, these are the 60 oranges. Now I add one orange. Now I add and one more orange. I add one more orange. Now I add one more orange. Now how many oranges are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Total how many? 61 oranges. 61 oranges. Now we have 61 oranges. Yes. Today our topic is 61 to 70. 61 to 70. All of you see here. All of you open Maths book page number 39. All of you write down one line here. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Now we have to write 6 in tens place. 1 in ones place. 6, 1, 61. 6 in tens place. 2 in ones place. 6, 2, 62. 6 in tens place. 3 in ones place. 6, 3, 63. 6 in tens place. 4 in ones place. 6, 4, 64. 6 in tens place. 5 in ones place. 6, 5, 65. 6 in tens place. Another 6 in ones place. 6, 6, 66. 6 in tens place. 7 in ones place. 6, 7, 67. 6 in tens place. 8 in ones place. 6, 8, 68. 6 in tens place. 9 in ones place. 6, 9, 69. 7 in tens place and 0 in ones place. 7 0 70. Like that you see this row and copy this another line, and another 2 boxes is your homework. Okay children, another maths homework in page number 39 in workbook. Okay, write the homework in workbook page number 39. I hope you understand the class. We will meet in the next class. Okay, good morning children. How are you all? Now we are going to learn EVS. Now all of you open page number 6. Now we are going to learn EVS. Okay, all of you open page number 6. See, now we are learning about ears and tongue. First we are learning about ears. What is the spelling of the ears children? E-A-R-S. Ears. Say with me. E-A-R-S. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. What do we do with ears? We hear the sound. With the help of ears, we hear the sound. Here see, here we see different types of sounds. Okay, we hear with our ears. Write L for the things that make loud sound. Loud sound means the sound is very loud. గట్టిగా sound వస్తాయి కదా, వాటికి మనం ఏం చేయాలంట? L పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, which you do not like. మనకి ఇష్టమా? which we do not like. మనకి ఇష్టం ఉండదు. ఓకే, write S for the things that make soft sound. S means soft sound that is not disturbing ours. Okay, see here whistle. See here whistle sound. Whistle. Is it a soft sound children? No, it is a loud sound. Now we have to write for whistle sound, we have to write L. It is a loud sound. Okay, and see this boy is shouting in the mic. Is this soft sound children? No, it is also very noisy. That's why we put L again. L for loud sound. Okay, next. See this ring ring. Yes, this is the sound of the telephone. It is not a loud sound. It is a soft sound. That's why we keep S for the soft sound. And see the next picture children. Clock. Tick tick. Tick tock. Tick tick. Tick tock. Yes, this is the sound of the clock children. See, clock children, clock sound also a soft sound. That's why we put S for the clock sound. Okay, and see the man is sleeping and he making a sound with his mouth. Yes, this is very loud sound. That's why we put this is a L sound. Okay, and see music system. What is this? Music system. Music system also a loud sound. Okay, loud sound. Yes, we have to put L. We have to put L for the loud sound. Next, this boy is playing guitar. Yes, guitar is a soft sound. Then we will put S for the guitar sound. And see the next, mixie. Yes, in our homes we all have mixies. See, mixer. Mixer sound is a very loud sound. That's why we put L for the loud sound. Okay, and see birds sound. Yes, birds sounds also very soft sound. It is not a loud sound. That's why we put S for the bird sound. Okay, like that you have to fill the page number 6. Now see, all of you, we are learning about tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Tongue. Yes, this is the tongue. Show your tongue. Yes, this is the tongue. See, what do we do with our tongue? Yes, we taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Let us know about different taste. Okay, now let us we see different taste. Okay, some things taste sweet. Okay, some things taste sweet. Yes, what are that? Ice cream, biscuits, chocolate and pastry cake. See, these are the sweet in taste. These are the sweet in taste. And see, some things taste salty. Some things taste salty. What are that? Soup, finger chips, popcorn and vegetable curry. These are taste salty. And next, some things taste sour. Some things taste sour means పుల్లగా ఉంటుంది కదా. What are that? Lemon, tamarind అంటే చింతపండు, ఓకే, రా మ్యాంగో అంటే మామిడికాయ. ఓకే, some things taste bitter. Some things taste bitter. What are that? Tablets. Yes, tablets చేదుగా ఉంటాయి కదా. Tablets, bitter gourd, కాకరకాయ కర్రీ చేస్తారు కదా మమ్మీ, అది. Medicines and neem. These are the bitter in taste. Okay, this is about tongue. Now this is your homework, children. See all of you, page number 8. Page number 8. Okay, children, see here, match the things that taste similar. Match the things that taste similar. Yes, jam taste is jelly and tablet is bitter gourd and lemon and tamarind and chips. Okay, you have to do the matching in page number 8. Page number 8 is your homework. Page number 8 is your homework. Okay, children, this is about EVS.